if you want to see this look, make sure to keep watching until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to get a super easy and super doable and super versatile summer peachy look. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Caleigh. I'm back with a summer look. I'm actually doing a summer makeup look for you guys. By no means am I saying that I am any type of beauty guru or MUA or anything like that. That is the farthest thing from the truth. I only really do makeup for fun and just, simple looks. But I find that that's really what a lot of people want, is things that they can wear every day. So I thought that I would show you guys what I wear pretty much every day in the summer. So to start, I'm just brushing out my hair and getting a headband to get it out of my face. Next, I'm just putting some setting spray on my beauty blender. I use Urban Decay All Nighter. I do this just so that my beauty blender doesn't soak up too much of my product. Next, I'm just using my NYX Studio Perfect Color Correcting Primer to fix any red spots that I may have. Now I'm just putting on my Lancome foundation with SPF to protect from those harmful summer rays. I'm just using my beauty blender and going in, not for full coverage, but just to target the spots that have the most color correction needed. And once my face is all dotted up, I go in and I blend it out. So now I just finish off my face with some Bare Minerals matte powder, and I just target my T-zone areas that I'm gonna be looking especially shiny in. Sonic, chill. To start my eyes, I'm just using the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. I'm going in with the shades Lace Teddy and Nudie, mixing those up and using it as a base and just putting it all over my eyelids. Now, of course, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to start with the shade Georgia and just put that on my outer lid. Now I'm just using this beautiful shade called Bellini, and I'm just putting that along my outer lid and on my crease. I'm making windshield wiper motions and small little circles just so I can blend out that shade as much as possible. Now I'm using my favorite shade on this palette, Luscious, and I'm just putting that beautiful glittery shade right on the ball of my lid. Now I'm going back to the Too Faced Natural Matte palette and going in with the shade Espresso to use as a soft liner on my lash line. Now I'm mixing the two shades Bellini and just Peachy, the two really pretty pink shades, and just putting that right underneath my waterline. To finish it off, I'm just going in with the shade Nectar on my inner eye to really brighten up and open my eyes. Of course, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This stuff is a godsend. It makes my lashes look so full. We're almost done. Now I'm just setting my face again with my Too Faced All-Nighter setting spray. And finally, I'm just using my Anastasia Glow Kit highlighters in the shade Moonstone, and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones and on my temple. And of course, finishing it off with a little bit of nose highlighter. And that is the finished look. Hey guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you enjoy the videos that I'm doing. Check out the last 2 videos that I did. I did a Goodwill haul recently, and also a little get ready with me and vlog at the aquarium with my friends. I'm also going to be putting up a vlog that I did when I went to Vermont, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Good vibes all around.
How can somebody so lovely be such a